contact with you. I said hi, girl.
Hi.
Oh, dang. Hi.
Ending.
When did you come back? Honestly.
They sent us an email.
Are you gonna do it?
Yes. It looks cute. It looks cute.
Me. Okay, you try. Now I feel bad. Let me try.
We can do a poll on your next vlog.
No, because I didn't do all of that. Okay, let me let me try it. Okay, any minute. Rock, paper, scissors? No, but who touched it first? I touched it first. We both saw it. Like, oh, that's cute. See, now you want to play with me. You want to play with me before. Guys, we're ready. We have to go. We have to go for dinner. What's happening? I'm flat. She said, "There's your bed." This girl said, "This is your pillow." This is your
performance. You absolutely killed it out there. You played Madison Square.
Yo, guys, what if I wear the glasses? No. Isn't it giving? Hold on, let me show you the fit. Isn't it giving a rich auntie? No? Can we go? Alright, let me put my shoes on. Alright guys, see you when we're there. How long does it take to order breakfast with these people? The world may never know. But honestly, is it that hot? Plates, look at these. So nice. Right? Ash, do not come here with your foolishness. Don't do it.
toasted sourdough and scrambled eggs.
Actually, such a scaredy cat, bro.
It's only because there's a whole bunch of strangers in the house.
Any side movement, she's. Good morning, guys. It is Cam from the future, and I just realized I did not show you guys what I bought or what we got from the thrift store when we went the other day. Forgive me. So firstly, I got this jacket, which I thought was pretty cool because it has this classic print, but then it has the casual denim looking sleeves, which I love. And I think this is in a size small, actually. So this is the first item we caught. Second one is this summer looking dress. And so, you know, I'm just like, okay, you want airy, you want cute, you want sophisticated, but you still want, you know, modest. So this is the dress. Of course, it's a bit sheer, so I have to wear a dark color underneath it so that, you know, you don't see through, but I love it. I'm telling you, there were so many things. It's just unfortunate a lot of them they weren't in my size. So when I tried them on, I was like, leave this for someone else. It is the oversized blue jacket that I bought. That KK and I were like, who should get it? Probably gonna end up sharing it anyways. It's fine. This is it. This is the off the shoulder pinstripe blouse. As a matter of fact, KK or Kayla saw it and they said, it's right up your alley. And they were right. I had a blouse like this before and I stopped wearing it because I wore it to the death of it. And I said, okay, come on. I said, okay, it's enough. How many times can you rewear the same thing over and over and over? So I changed my wardrobe. So I put this back. Welcome to the rotation, young lad. Welcome to the rotation. I can't wait to wear this. It gets sophisticated, it gives grown, it gets chic, in my opinion. Very strange, but I bought, it's like a cover for your sofa, because when my friends come over, they're always cold. Apparently the person never used it before. It's from IKEA, and I spent like, I want to say 30 dirhams, maybe 40 dirhams for it. So it was a steal. It's very huge. I don't want to fold it and then I have to refold it again. I may put it at the edge of the bed, you know, as a little decor, a little puzzle. Or I may just add it to the sofa, throw it over, you know, so when people come through and they're feeling cold, they can just cover up. I got, to be honest, I don't know if I got this or KK got this, but I want to say I got this because it's my size. This can never fit KK. It's in black and white. So if you don't realize, I have a thing for black and whites, and I'm trying very hard to get out of it, but it's just so easy to wear black or white or neutral colors. I need to check the length. If it's long enough, I can wear it to work. If not, another summer dress or autumnish dress because it has a long sleeve. Let's see. It came with this belt that goes around the waist. So it's buttoned up at the front. It gives it can give the formal look, and it can also give a casual look. So if you wear heels, you can dress it up. If you wear flats, you can dress it down. We love a multi-purpose fit, okay? And then lastly, I also got another black and white dress, but then I gave it to the laundry, whole shebang, but it looks something like this, but in polka dot. So got that. And then last but not least, and this one was never worn, so it was just, I said, God, is that you coming through for me? Actually, KK got this one first, but then it was not in her size, it was in my size. So I ended up taking it. So it's like the one strap off the shoulder type dress. It's very confusing. So it looks like this. And then So I have vacation coming up in August. Yo, it just sounds like I have a lot of vacation planned, but child, I'll be taking that PTO. Take this as your message. Clear your vacation days. Usually on vacation, I try to include more pops of color. So we got that, and this is from River Island. So it is a huge steal. I got this for like 30 dirhams. 30 dirhams for a River Island dress that was never worn before? Say less. And say less. The quote says, "He who wants a rose must respect the thorn." Should I just show you also what Kiki got? I brought it. Someone might as well. I don't think she'll mind. So Kiki got this Zara dress, which I said, girl, you better take this dress immediately. So it looks like this, which at first I was like, okay, cool. You know, it's a simple little dress, but then you turn on the back. It's the back hand. It has a connection here. Am I doing a good job? Connection to the back is out. It's a little bit risque. A little risque. But Kiki can pull it off. Now this dress is my favorite of all time. Do you understand me? When I saw this dress, I said, Kiki, you have to. Because it cannot fit anybody else. You have to take it. I don't care if you like it, you have to take it. Tell me, am I wrong? This is an H&M dress. I don't know which H&M because I've never seen quality dress like this in H&M, no offense, in UAE. Maybe it's in America, I'm not sure. So the front looks like this. Look at the pattern. Okay, it says like a baby doll dress. So it's tight on the waist and then it flares to the bottom. But look at the back. It has this pattern at the back. Listen, I love this so much and it fits her so beautifully. Can't wait for her to wear it. So this is the second dress she got. Third one is for a vacation. We said, girl, just take it. Just take it. It's from vacation. It's some pretty little things. I think she's gonna wear it as a cover up. But you know, color on black girls. The second one, honestly, we saw this was a KK's right up your alley. She wears these things to work a lot. Little 90s, 80s, 70s vibe. I don't know which era is this, but it's great. I think it's a little bit big for her, so she has to take in the sides. But this is a skirt. This is a dress that actually I chose, but it was too small for me. So it's like, hey, you gotta take it, do it for me. It says an asymmetric dress. You button to the sides. I don't know what's wrong with me and belts around the side, but anyways, it has a belt that goes around the waist. Very cute. And it's in green. I love. I think this is my favorite color. What else does she get? Surely you got more things, KK. Oh, she got this oversized shirt that she'll wear to the beach as a cover up. Pro tip, guys. If you have a brother, you have a father, they're not wearing some of their shirts, just take it. Wear to the beach as a cover up. Pro tip. You're welcome. And that is it, and that is all. Thank you, and we shall return to the regular programming. Tell me what's your favorite outfit. Tell me which one of these you love the most. For me, my favorite is this. But yeah, tell me which one you like. So why did I get out? I gotta pay for these toes. For free. Stop it. Do you think you can? Okay, you had one. It's fine. That's what you think. You just really wanted to be in the cut, I promise. Yin check. Yin yang. I'm yang. I'm yin. I don't even know what's going on.
I need you by my side. I need you by my side. شايلك في قلبي وروحي حبيبتي.
KK is hyped. I'm so excited. I hope it's actually nice.
Tell the people.
Nice. You think it's gonna be nice?
Yes. To be honest,
We're
I'm
at
not.
the circus. Sorry, I mean, I don't know if it's a circus.
But we're at a show.
No, wait a minute.
So fun fact, KK has never been to a circus before. So this is like, she's super excited. Honestly, I'm just trying to keep up with the energy. But yeah, I think it's gonna be great. Let's get it started and
Get ready to
So the circus What is this?
Guys, I don't know what it is. Cirque du Liban. It's like a water show slash circus slash whatever. I don't know.
But it was
Thumbs
10 out of
up.
10.
I don't know when it's starting
Recommend.
until.
Bro, I don't know, but at one point in time, we were like seriously concerned because they were doing some things, child. They were doing something. I was just like,
No regard for safety.
safety.
Just jumping over here in the ring.
But I will come again. I'm not lying. I think I'm gonna just.
It was really nice.
If you see this and you live in Abu Dhabi, come. And tell them that Cam sent you. Okay. Alright. So boneless wings are chicken nuggets. They're not. You agree?
They're not what?
They're not wings.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
100%. Because
Yes. They're not wings, they're chicken nuggets. I don't know. Alright, what we get?
Something to buy, da ba da bug, yeah. Da ba da bum ba buy, da bum buy, da buy, da bum ba yeah. Set the potato, da buy, da da.
Thank you.
Boy, yeah. Boy, yeah, boy, yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life.